5 brilliant herbs for teeth whitening. Teeth, which are white, add a unique glitter to your whole personality. But maintaining white teeth is close to impossible for a lot of us, in particular due to our diets that stain the teeth. Whitening of teeth is commonly done in dental clinics, with the professional guidance of a dental technician. And very often a large bill that goes with it. You are able to do this at home using the vast array of herbs that are available nowadays, which are the natural methods to whiten your teeth. Herbs which are available can do an incredible job of not just whitening the teeth, however, but cleaning them also. 1. Sage leaf. A simple yet very effective enamel whitening tip that all people can rely on is the usage of sage leaf. Take a sage leaf and rub it in your hand. Rub the leaves on your enamel. You can also mix the leaves together with your toothpaste, and use a brush for cleaning, which is an easier way for most people to clean your teeth and enamel. Make sage tea by boiling the leaves with water, and use this, when cooled a little, for rinsing your mouth. Your teeth will soon show their natural shade. 2. Turmeric powder. Turmeric can be used as a herbal skin whitening agent. You may also use it for whitening your teeth as well. Grind a few turmeric roots into a rough powder and add salt and lime juice as well, making it into a paste. Use a toothbrush for brushing with this herbal paste, using as a toothpaste. Doing this every week will leave your enamel clean, white and healthy. 3. Bay leaf. Take a few bay leaves and grind down into smaller parts, and then mix with dried orange peel, also ground down into a powder. Citrus fruits are natural enamel whitening, therefore blending with any citrus fruit will have a whitening effect. Brush your teeth with this bay leaf and citrus combination. However, do not add too much citrus juice as it could damage your teeth. Try doing this 3 times a week and see the improvements to your teeth. 4. Walnut tree bark. The powdered bark of the walnut tree, consisting of phloem fibers, cork cells and calcium oxalate crystals. Walnut bark, which is also called durum, can be used as a teeth whitener, by grinding down the bark into a rough powder. To use it for teeth whitening, wet your toothbrush and dip it into the powder, then continue to brush your teeth as you normally would. Use this every day, to whiten teeth and strengthen your gums. This will also prevent bleeding gums. 5. Guava leaf. Guava leaf has the power to clean your teeth and additionally to save terrible breath and gum troubles. Take guava leaf and crush to form a coarse paste. Rub onto the tooth and brush with a toothbrush. Continue to use this regularly, to save from damaged enamel and infections, and also to promote stronger, healthier gums and whiter teeth. Warning: even though herbs are safe in most cases, certain acidic juices present in the herbs could be too strong for your enamel if used too often. All of the above remedies should be used under the supervision of a medical consultant to avoid any misuse and limit side effects.